Welcome to the brand new section of this course, Custom Shapes and Paths, and Using a Brush Selection. Now, let's move on to the video Symbols, supported in D3. If you look at the D3.shape API at this link, you can see all the different standard shapes provided by D3, and you'll notice that we've already seen most of them in the previous sections. However, there is one part of this API that we haven't explored yet, and that is the symbols. D3 provides a number of standard symbols that you can use in your visualizations. For instance, when drawing a line chart, instead of drawing circles for each point of the chart, you could use a cross or a star. D3 comes with this list of standard symbols. D3.symbolCross, a cross symbol or an addition symbol. D3.symbolCircle, a simple circle. D3 symbol diamond, a diamond symbol as used on playing cards. D3.symbolSquare, a simple square. D3.symbolStar, a five-pointed star. D3.symbolTriangle, a simple triangle point up. D3.symbolY, a Y symbol. Each of these symbols has a size function which you can use to set the size of the symbol, which defaults to 64. The symbols looks like this when rendered. The required JavaScript to render these symbols is rather straightforward and uses the same approach as all the other path generators. Here is the code for the same. One thing to note in this code is that we set a rather large size. The reason for this is that the size for a symbol isn't in pixels. It is specified as the area the symbol occupies, so in this case, it is approximately a 50 by 50 size. Since these are basic SVG shapes, we can also use transitions to animate them. For instance, we can rotate the symbols. For this, we use a standard D3's D3.transition as shown highlighted. That's it for the symbols in D3. Now, it's time to check the output. Nice! You can see that the symbols are rotating here. So here we've come to the end of this video.